Uh, Dear all, wish you a very good day. In the previous lecture, we have looked at the resistive load inverter and its functioning in brief. Now, we have seen its VTC and the different important node voltages that were covered in the voltage transfer characteristics. In the present lecture, we are going to look at the calculation of these important node voltages such as VOH, VOL, VIH and VIL. Okay, this is going to be quite easy. So let us see and start calculation for VOH. Okay, so we note that the output voltage Vout is given by Vout is equal to VDD minus RL IR. The reason for this is that the output voltage will always be a little bit less because of the drop that is happening across the load resistor, and drop is given by IR into RL. Okay. Now when the input voltage is low or smaller than the threshold voltage of the driver MOSFET, the driver transistor is cut off. Okay. Now since the drain current of the drain transistor is equal to the load current, okay, so at this point IR will be equal to ID. Okay, it follows that the output voltage of the inverter under these two conditions will be Vout, that is equal to VOH, that is equal to VDD. Now we have just seen that Vout should be equal to VDD minus IRRL, but since in this condition the transistor is in cutoff, so there is no current flowing. IR and ID both are 0, so any drop, that is IR into VR will be, sorry, IR into RL will be 0, and therefore the total out voltage at the output will be equal to the applied voltage VDD, which is equal to VOH here. Okay. Next we are going to look at the calculation of VOL, that is output low voltage. Now the calculation of output low voltage, we assume that the input voltage is equal to VOH, that is input voltage is quite high. Okay, so at the input we will be getting V in, that is equal to VOH, and VOH in this particular case is equal to VDD. Okay, so since V in minus VTO is greater than V out, okay, because in this case the driver transistor operates in linear region and the load current IR is given by IR is equal to VDD minus Vout upon RL, that is the difference in the two node voltages across the resistor upon the resistance value. Okay, so applying the KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law, for the output node, that is IR is equal to ID, we can write IR is equal to Kn by 2 into Vn minus VTO into Vout minus Vout whole square, or if we will just adjust this equation, we will get IR is equal to Kn by 2 into VDD, because Vn is equal to VDD minus VTO, okay, into Vout. Vout at this point is output low, so VOL minus VOL whole square. Now we have to solve this equation for VOL. So we will apply little bit adjustments and we will write the value of IR as VDD minus VOL upon RL. This will be equal to Kn by 2 into 2 VDD minus Vout into VOL minus VOL whole square, since Vout is equal to VOL. Okay, so VDD minus VOL is equal to RL into Kn by 2 VDD in 2 into VDD minus VDD into VOL minus V2 into VOL into Vout plus that is equal to RL into Kn by 2 into VDD minus VOL into Kn by 2 VTO VOL minus Kn by 2 VOL whole square. Okay. So if you will be looking closely in these equations, nothing much is happening. We have just multiplied this VOL inside, okay, and just solve the equations. Therefore we will get VDD minus VOL is equal to RL Kn VDD minus VOL minus RL Kn VTO VOL minus RL Kn by 2 VOL whole square. Okay, So Kn VOL, if we will further solve it, RL Kn VOL whole square by 2 will come out to be RL Kn VDD minus VOL minus RL Kn VTO into VOL minus VDD plus VOL. So VOL square will be equal to 2 VDD VOL minus 2 VTO VOL minus 2 VDD upon Kn RL plus 2 VOL upon Kn RL. So VOL square will come out to be 2 VDD minus 2 VTO plus 2 upon Kn plus RL into VOL minus 2 VDD upon Kn RL. So VOL square minus this, the whole terms with VOL will be taken on one side. Okay, and we will get this equation. Now this is a quadratic equation which can simply be solved by using Sridharacharya formula. Okay, in this equation A is 1, B is this complete, minus 2 into VDD minus VTO plus 1 by KNRL, and C is 2 upon KNRL into VDD, and Sridharacharya formula is x is equal to minus B plus minus under root of B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Okay, so if we will solve this, we will get the value of VOL, that is equal to minus of minus 2 into VDD minus VTO plus 1 upon KNRL into plus minus, and complete equation solving for the VOL. So on solving this, we will get VOL something like this. VOL will be equal to 1 upon KNRL plus VDD minus VTO minus under root of 1 by KNRL plus VDD minus VTO whole square minus 2 VDD upon KNRL as shown in equation 4. So we have to take only the negative value of discriminant because output voltage must be between 0 and VDD, and this will give us the solution for VOL. Now coming to the calculation of VIL. By the definition, VIL is the smaller of the two input voltage values at which the slope of the VTC becomes minus 1, that is dV out upon dV in is equal to minus 1. So if we will look at the figure of the VTC, we will infer that when the input voltage is equal to VIL, the output voltage is only slightly smaller than VOH. So this means that Vout will be greater than Vin minus VTO, and the driver transistor operates in saturation region. So again we can apply the KCL equation. We will get IR is equal to VDD minus Vout upon RL. These are the two node voltages at the resistor. Okay, now in saturation region the equation is given as IR is equal to Kn by 2. Okay, Kn by 2 into Vin minus VTO whole square. So VDD minus Vout upon RL is equal to Kn by 2 into Vin minus VTO whole square. We have just done nothing but marked this current of IR will be equal to current ID. So if we will differentiate the above equation with respect to d by dVin, we will have minus 1 by RL dV out by dVin, that will be equal to Kn by 2 into 2 Vin minus VTO. Okay, this is a simple differentiation. Then we will get 1 minus 1 by RL dV out by dVin, that is equal to Kn VIL minus VTO. So Vin will be equal to VIL here. Now we can substitute the values of dV out by dVin, that is equal to minus 1 in equation 3. So in this equation we will substitute dV out by dVin is equal to minus 1, and we will get minus 1 upon RL into minus into Kn into VIL minus VTO. So 1 by RL into is equal to Kn into VIL minus VTO. From here we can solve for VIL, and we will get 1 by RL Kn equal to VIL minus VTO, and VIL will be equal to 1 by RL Kn plus VTO. So substituting this value of VIL in equation 3rd again, we will get VDD minus Vout upon RL, that is equal to Kn by 2 into 1 plus Kn RL plus VTO minus VTO whole square. So VDD minus Vout is equal to Kn RL by 2 into 1 upon Kn RL whole square. So VDD minus Vout will be equal to 1 upon 2 Kn RL. Okay, and finally Vout will be at Vin is equal to VIL and VD equal to VDD minus 1 upon 2 Kn RL. Now Finally, we'll be looking at the calculation for VIH, that is input high voltage. VIH is the larger of the two voltage points at the on the VTC of the slope is equal to VTC, where the slope is equal to -1. From the figure we see that when the input voltage is equal to VIH, the output voltage is only slightly larger than the output voltage of VOL. Hence, Vout will be equal to Vin minus VTO, and the driver transistor operates in linear region of operation. Okay, so if you will be applying the equation, IR will be equal to Kn by 2 into 2 Vin minus VTO Vout into Vout minus Vout whole square. That is simply the equation for linear region. Now, by applying KCL again, we will get IR is equal to VDD minus Vout upon RL. Now, if we will combine equation 1 and 2, we will get VDD minus Vout upon RL is equal to Kn by 2 into Vin minus VTO whole into Vout minus Vout whole square. Now again we have to get dVout by dVin, so we will differentiate this equation with respect to Vin, and we'll get -1 by RL dVout upon dVin is equal to Kn by 2 into 2 Vout plus Vin into dVout by dVin minus VTO into dVout upon dVin, that is 2 VTO dVout upon dVin. Substituting dVout upon dVin is equal to -1 in the above equation, we have 1 by RL, okay, is equal to Kn by 2 into Vout minus Vin plus VTO plus 2 Vout. This has happened after the differentiation. So minus so 1 by Kn RL will be equal to Vout minus Vin minus VTO upon Vout. We need from here we will get Vin is equal to 2 Vout plus VTO minus 1 by Kn RL. So Vn is equal to VIH, which will be 2 Vout plus VTO minus 1 by Kn RL. So if we will put this value of VIH from this equation number 5 in equation number 3, so we will get VDD minus Vout upon RL will be equal to Kn into 2 Vout plus VTO minus 1 by Kn RL minus VTO into Vout upon Vout whole square. VTO will be cancelled. So VDD upon minus Vout upon Kn RL will be equal to 1 by 2 into 4 Vout square minus 2 Vout upon Kn RL minus Vout square. Okay, so VDD minus Vout will be equal to Kn RL by 2 into 3 Vout square minus 2 Vout upon Kn RL. From here we can solve VDD minus Vout will be equal to 2 by 3 Kn RL Vout whole square minus Vout. Vout on both sides will get cancelled and VDD will come out to be 2 by 3 Kn RL Vout whole square. So from this we can solve it for Vout whole square. We will get Vout whole square is equal to 2 by 3 1 upon Kn RL into VDD. We have just cross multiplied here, and we will get Vout at Vn is equal to VIH, that is equal to under root of 2 by 3 1 by Kn RL into VDD. So finally, if we will put this value of Vout in equation 5, we will have VIH that is equal to VTO plus 2 Vout minus 1 by Kn RL. VIH will be equal to VTO plus 2 under root of 2 by 3 1 by Kn RL VDD minus 1 by Kn RL. That is equal to VTO is equal to 8 by 3 under root of 8 by 3 1 by Kn RL into VDD minus 1 by Kn RL. So in this equation we are not doing something very tough, we are just iteratively trying to solve the equation to get a proper solution for all these node values. Okay, the similar calculation will be performed for other type of transistors as well in the future. Thank you. So other type of inverters as well in the future. Thank you.